Yo, what's up everyone, it's Tony here and I'm back again with another video. So today's video is proudly sponsored by one of my subscribers. Yes, you requested that I create a video on how to open a dollar account in Nigeria. Dollar account which you honor as a domiciliary account. I hope I got that pronunciation right though. So in today's video, I will explain what domiciliary account is, how to open a domiciliary account or dollar account in Nigeria, and also why you should even bother owning a domiciliary account in Nigeria. So stick to the end of this video to find all the juicy details. But I beg, before I even start doing this video, I want to make you do one thing for me. Subscribe. There is a red button there. Please hit on that subscribe button. Then there is a bell notification icon. I beg, hit on them so that whenever I publish video, YouTube will notify you, say I don't drop one tutorial wey go make sense. You get that kind of thing. And if you don't subscribe already, it no go cost you anything. If you like this video, now still free. Then if you want, let me know how you feel about my videos, whether the thing they sweet you, whether you they learn anything from any of my videos. If you drop them in the comment section, if you know they sweet you, tell me in the comment section. I'm free and open and free to corrections. I beg, I won't make you do that for me. These three things that I mentioned, they are all free. And if you have done that, thank you so much. Let's dive into the video. Okay, so what's the domiciliary account? What is domiciliary account? So domiciliary account is a dollar account, as I mentioned. It's more like you have Naira account, isn't it? You have Naira where if you log into your banking app, what you have there is Naira as Nigerian currency. So domiciliary account is an account in foreign currency in Nigeria. So it can be dollars, it can be pounds, it can be sterling, any of these three. So that's what domiciliary account stands for. So having explained that, it's just as simple as that. Then why should you even think about, before I start explaining how to open a domiciliary account in Nigeria, I mean, why should you even bother opening or receiving, opening a domiciliary account or dollar account in Nigeria? The reason is this. One Naira now for Nigeria, now over 500 and something Naira per $1. So imagine say you receive let's say $200. You go get up to 100 and something if you convert them to dollars. If you convert them to Naira. Okay, so let's say you have a relation outside Nigeria, we send you money, give you for this Nigeria inside your domiciliary account. And domiciliary account, once you get domiciliary account, bank go give you the dollar cash, you get. So when you go at Aboki place, go exchange them, you'll be getting an exchange rate of around 520 something, 560 something. But if you don't get domiciliary account, those bankers, they don't go give you the money. They go use their hand, convert that money into exchange rate of 480, 4 something, which is very low. So the main reason why you should get domiciliary account now, if you get anybody where they send you dollars from outside, it's best you open a domiciliary account, so that your conversion rate, when you withdraw it, have the dollar cash, you go Aboki place, go change your money, go plenty. You understand? Then that's by the way. Then the number 2 reason why you should have a domiciliary account in Nigeria be say dollar na hard currency and the exchange rate is so high. So instead of you saving in Naira, if you dey earn online in any form or person they send you money and you be able to save in dollars, I mean, as of last year, dollar there around 300 and something. This year now in the 4 something, can climb up to 5 something. So imagine say you get dollar where you buy or where person help you send when in the 3 something. Now you have it up to 400, up to 500 and something. I mean, the value tripled, isn't it? So it's another very crafty way of savings. Okay, and this is why you should also consider owning a domiciliary account. Then number 3 is for those that earn in dollars in Nigeria. I mean, freelancers, those where they design websites or do anything where they pay them in dollars in Nigeria. Domiciliary account will help you get more value for your money. If you receive payments, let's say from Fiverr, and you withdraw into your Payoneer account. If you withdraw into your Payoneer account, that money, you have 2 options to get it in Naira. Either you withdraw direct to your Naira account, which bank will help you convert them, and they will give you one low rate like that. They will give you like 400 or 300 even, which is very bad and very low. So, but if you have domiciliary account, if you connect them to your Payoneer account and withdraw it sharply, and they give you and withdraw it into there, then you withdraw the money, go Aboki place, go change them up to 500 and something. I mean, you dey see the game way there, maybe nice. So as I don't explain all the gains why and reason why you should even own a domiciliary account in Nigeria, I think now the best time to tell you what it actually takes to open a domiciliary account or a dollar account in Nigeria. So number one thing where you go need now, you need to select the bank. That first of all, you go think domiciliary account. Every bank get their own. If you the bank with GTB, if you open domiciliary account or dollar account with them, fine. If you the bank with UBA, they get their own. Me, I have domiciliary accounts with UBA. So many banks, almost all the banks in Nigeria have their own domiciliary account. You can open accounts in any of them, domiciliary accounts. But these are the things where they go require you to bring to open that domiciliary account. Number one, now you go need an identification of any sort. In my own case, now my passport where I give them. So in your own case, if you don't get passport, if you use national ID, if you use voter's card or permanent ID card, any of these three, national ID card, sorry. These are identification card where they recognized by the government, Nigerian government. Now one of the things where you go need. So that's number one. Then number two, now some banks, before you open a domiciliary account, they go one make you deposit dollar inside that account where you want open. So almost all the banks, their basic now $100. Why some now 50? You know why? For UBA, for example, when I want to open domiciliary account, they tell me, I chat customer care. They told me I need to deposit $50. But when I got to the bank, they told me 100, which I told them, their customer care told me is $50 minimum. So you see the logic now. So it differs. So, and that dollar will go need deposit now in hard currency. So how do you get it? You go need carry naira, go Aboki place, go buy them. Go buy either $100 or $50 where the bank where you want open that domiciliary account where they tell you say now the minimum of deposit for your domiciliary account. So if now $100 they tell you to deposit and Aboki they sell 520 something per dollar. So that means you go carry 53,000, go give Aboki. Aboki go give you that $100 bills. Then you go carry them, go deposit them for bank, and they go open accounts for you. Then bank go do their own thing, all those NIN, BVN and co. They go all do all those things. And chicken, that's all you need to open accounts, a dollar account in Nigeria. And after you don't do fill all those forms, they go give you phone number, all those normal opening account procedure where you go encounter for bank. Once you don't do all those ones finish, then they go come, then they go send you your account number. Domiciliary account has its own unique account number, just like the Naira account where you get for Niger. Okay, so but now in dollars, now the balance go they show you for the app if you log in. Then they go also send you a link, maybe internet banking, where if you they view your balance, if money enter, as they take one for your Naira account, they go send you a link where you go feel they use to view your balance and also follow up transaction. But you know go fit transfer using that app. They will give you login, username, and all of those things depending on the bank where the bank. So I think that's all. Even nothing much. I don't know why people they make them saying I want big something like that. But this is all I explained. There's no more, nothing more, nothing less. If there is anything or any other thing where they need, if you go bank, visit bank, they will tell you. But this is all I know, and this is what I have done to open a domiciliary account in a Nigerian bank. And I think this video is gives explanation to that. So my people, I think I've done justice to this particular video. So if you want to open account, domiciliary account, dollar account in Nigeria, go to bank, get your ID and all of these things what I mentioned for this video. So my name is Tony, and I want also invite you before I end this video, I beg, subscribe, share this video to all Nigerians where you know say this video go, they're very important to them, where you know say this video go, they're very useful to them. Wait again, I forget nothing. All right, now my people, I go see you later. Bye for now.